Learning to ride a bicycle is an exciting and liberating experience. Whether you're a child or an adult, cycling opens up a world of possibilities. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of learning to cycle confidently and safely. Before we get started, here's what you'll need. A bicycle in good working condition. A properly fitting helmet. A flat, open area to practice. A friend or family member to assist. Let's begin. 1. Mounting the bicycle. Start by straddling the bicycle with your feet flat on the ground. Make sure the saddle height is adjusted so that your feet can touch the ground. 2. Find your balance. Begin by just sitting on the bicycle, holding the handlebars with a relaxed grip. Get a feel for the balance of the bike without moving. Three. Scoot and glide. Push yourself forward with your feet. Lifting them off the ground and gliding. Practice this until you feel comfortable balancing on two wheels. 4. Pedal and brake. When you're ready, start pedaling slowly and focus on maintaining your balance. Practice braking gently to get a feel for how to stop safely. Five. Practice and gradual progress. Continue to practice in a safe, open area. Gradually work on increasing your speed and steering control as you become more confident. Six. Safety first. Always wear a properly fitting helmet when cycling. Make sure the bicycle is in good working order and follow local traffic laws and safety rules. 7. Learn to signal. Familiarize yourself with hand signals for turning and stopping. These are essential for communicating with other road users. 8. Explore and enjoy. Once you've mastered the basics, take your cycling skills to the next level. Explore new terrains, go on adventures, and enjoy the freedom of the open road. And there you have it. Learning to cycle is an amazing journey, filled with excitement and joy. So, get out there, practice, and have a blast on two wheels. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay safe, wear your helmet, and keep pedaling. Happy cycling!